When I told my friends that I was rehabbing an old nursery and converting it into an organic teaching and demonstration farm, they knew I needed something. I was anxious or worried way too much. I felt restless, like I wasn't doing enough, yet I couldn't really concentrate. I was snappy all the time. I didn't sleep well, and I worked inside constantly. My screen hours were off the chart. I knew that almost 30% of adults in America get an anxiety disorder, and about 17% of us get depressed in the United States over a lifetime. But I didn't know that some of my friends had already been through what I thought was a midlife crisis. They had solved it outside. One friend just walked for a half hour before work every day. Another got up every morning at 5 a.m., Monday, Wednesday, Friday, went for a hike all together before they went to work. All of my friends told me about their new vacations, which were never in a city, but always in nature, on a farm, on a vineyard, in the wilds. My friends were going outside to feel better and reset their stress levels, and it dawned on me that I should too. So I started. I wrote at 10 o'clock, Tuesday and Thursday, go outside. But it didn't work until I found something I could actually do. Walking. Simple, deliberate. Do something if I want, no to something if I want, 20-minute walking to feel better. Because I'm a doctor and a scientist, I look for the scientific evidence. Can nature actually change your brain? Because after all, anxiety is a brain problem, not just something in your head. Mental health is underappreciated and an essential part of personal medical health. And yes, healing takes time. I began to use time outside as a therapeutic tool, like we do in clinical medicine with patients. It was so powerful for me that I needed to bring something what I had learned to you, to other people who felt anxious and out of control, but who were missing a deliberate way to experience it by walking. You need to get out of your head and also out of your apartment. Now, if you're 65 and super anxious or using drugs or losing weight involuntarily or have another medical reason to see your doctor, you should see your doctor and get checked out. That's over anxiety. But if you simply sense that the trajectory you're on is not sustainable, that there's extreme income inequality and out of control cost of living, unaffordable healthcare, climate change, and a massively changed future, if you have the nagging feeling that we're not doing enough about it and that our government isn't either, then you might want to try a different approach to your anxiety. Try mynaturedose.com. It's free. It's just 10 days. It's emailed. It's built for people like us who want to experience more ease, less worry, and more connection with Mother Earth and the people and pets who love her. I hope you'll feel better, calmer, and happier soon.